If you're a big fan of classic PCs like the Commodore 64, you got to check out this new design from HP. We're here at CES 2026 and we're looking at the HP EliteBoard, not EliteBook, EliteBoard G1a, because this is, just like old school computers, an entire PC built into the keyboard itself. This will be offered in a standard USB model, but this one comes with a battery. I've unplugged it, and as you can see, it is still on, it is still running and connected to wireless networks, Bluetooth for the mouse that you saw, all sorts of interesting stuff. So the idea here is that you're a worker who has a home setup and a work setup, and they call it dock to dock. You go home, you plug into the dock, you've got your monitor, you've got all your accessories, you unplug it, you throw just this thing in your bag, you go to work, you plug into your dock, and you're ready to go at your work setup. Now, this thing has a surprising amount of power in it. It's got a Ryzen AI 300 laptop chip in there, maximum of 64 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, and unlike a lot of the laptops that we're seeing lately, it's all user accessible. So you can go in and swap out the RAM, swap out the storage with just a few screws. And even the keyboard itself, as you can see, it is a full-length laptop-style keyboard, including the numpad, that will also be user accessible, so you can replace it or your IT manager can replace it if you need it. It's a really interesting idea that harkens back to an older kind of PC design. You may have seen something similar starting a few years ago from Raspberry Pi. That's a lower powered computer and it doesn't include the option for a battery built in. I think this opens up a lot of really interesting possibilities in terms of work, swapping from home to office, and a lot of form factors. I'd love to build something out of this because you can plug in a USB-C monitor and have it powered off of the internal battery in ways that offer up some really interesting work possibilities. So again, this is the HP EliteBoard, not EliteBook. It's coming out in 2026. It'll be offered to the enterprise first. We don't know exactly when or how much it'll cost, and if it will eventually be offered to consumers. I really hope that they do make that choice. So I can't wait to try this out next year, and for more on the latest PC news, check out PCWorld.